Hello everyone. Welcome to Student Fund Manager. I am Tuhin Shubro Sardar, and as always, it's a pleasure to have you here. Today we are going to discuss about our fund performance for the last 3 days, that is from 9th May to 11th May. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you may be aware, the opening fund value was 5,600 which I invested. Right now it stands at 5,435 rupees and 15 paise. This means that the fund faced a return of negative 164 rupees and 85 paise, or in terms of percentage it is minus 2.94%. When compared with the benchmark index Nifty 50, we can see that Nifty 50 has experienced a return of minus 1.49% in the last 3 days, whereas we have experienced total minus 2.94%. This could be caused because we do not have that many defensive stocks in our portfolio and our profile is aggressive, and that could be one of the reasons causing the returns to be worse compared to Nifty. Coming to portfolio insights, we can see that Bharti Airtel has performed the best in our portfolio with a positive return of 0.65%, and the worst return in terms of percentage has been performed by Hindalco, which has faced a negative return of minus 4.98%. In terms of nominal value, the one with the highest negative return is Infosys, causing a loss of 40 rupees and 5 paise in our portfolio. When we check the market movement, we can see that the benchmark index has not performed that well for the last few months, and over here right now we can see that there has been a huge sell-off, but in the last trading day we can see that there has been a price resistance. We can see that this shadow below the candle, this indicates that there has been a price rejection, and upon checking the weighted accumulation distribution as well as RSI, we can see an indication of at least a pullback in the next 2 to 3 trading days. Now moving on to our next courses of action, they would be to monitor our portfolio returns, to prepare a detailed analysis on Hindalco and Infosys because they have been dragging our portfolio down by quite some points. And we will be selling our underperforming assets or the assets which are not likely to go up in value anytime soon. And lastly, we will be identifying some stocks from the mid cap as well as the small caps, and we will be exploring the opportunities there so that we can diversify and maximize our returns. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Bye bye.